What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can disconnect your YouTube channel from VidIQ. Also, if you want to create a new account with VidIQ and support the channel in the same time, I will leave a VidIQ sign up link in the description below. So let's get started. Once you open up your VidIQ account, this will be the first default page that you will see. So your VidIQ dashboard. From here, to disconnect your channel, go to your channel icon right here. So once you connect your channel, you will see your channel icon in the upper right corner. Once you click on it, this little menu will load. So on this menu, go over to the channel settings tab. And on this tab, you will see all the channels that you have on your VidIQ account and an option to remove each one of those channels. So to remove this channel, just click on this button right here. When you click on that button, a new confirmation window will load, so just click yes, I want to remove this channel. I also made a video on how to connect your channel to VidIQ, so if you ever change your mind, you can watch the video in the upper right corner. So that's how you can disconnect your YouTube channel from your VidIQ account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.